Hello everyone, and welcome to this example recording on nodes, branches, and loops. So the question we're going to be reading requires us to determine the number of nodes, branches, and independent loops. So we know that number one, the number of branches is equal to the number of elements in the circuit. So let's count the number of elements. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So the number of branches is equals to 14. Second, what is the number of, let's look at independent loops. So it should be simple for us to count the independent loops. So that will be the first, that will be the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one in terms of the loops that will have at least one new element. So loop I4 has all three elements as new. Loop I5 has the 1 ohm and the 6 volt as new. Loop I3 will have the 4 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, and 12 volt as new. Loop I2 will have the 10 volt, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, and 4 volt as new. And finally, loop I1 will have the 2 ohm and the 5 ohm as new. So we can count that it's going to give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of independent loops is then equal to 5. Finally, the number of nodes. We know that the node is a point of connection between two or more branches. And typically here we're going to have a lot of nodes, so it would be advised to use the fundamental theorem of network topology, which states that the number of branches is equals to the number of nodes plus the number of loops minus 1. Right, then we can continue to determine the number of nodes by saying that the number of branches, which is 14, is going to give us n plus the number of loops would be 5 minus 1. So therefore n must give us 10. So this tells us that we've got 10 nodes in the circuit. Let's see if we can identify these 10 nodes. So we know that we have the ground node. We would have at node 2, would have that node 3, that would be 4, that will be 5, that will be 6, and that will be 7. And then there should be 3 other nodes in the circuit that are important for us to identify. Remember, the node is a point of connection between 2 or more branches. So that will be 8, that will be 9, and this here would be 10. And those are your 10 nodes in the circuit. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy the course.